is equal to minus d by a. Then it is come the alpha, beta, gamma is equal to c by a. Like that it comes. Now here, after that we are going to the finding the zeros of the polynomials by their graph. So just nothing you have to see. You have to see x-axis. Only how much x-axis cut happen. Only x-axis. Only x-axis you have to see how many places cut, that much zeros. Okay, cut, then that much zeros will be there in that. Let's taking the example from the textbook itself. From the textbook, so it is the textbook. In that questions are there. First exercise number 1. Here it is given. I will draw the graph and I will tell the 1 or 2. After that you can remind it yourself only, and I am writing the answer. So exercise, here it will come the 2.1. Exercise 2.1. First question it is there. The graph y is equal to px. Y is equal to px. P means polynomial, x means variable. Px means polynomial, x means variable x. We are talking about the variable x in that. Given below, how to find the number of zeros in that. So first graph it is given like that. It is a graph given. In that graph it is given the another one given here. Here like this given arrow mark. This is x-axis, this is the x dash axis, this is y-axis, it is y dash axis. So how many places it x-axis cut happens? Single place not only cutting. So zeros are there. Zeros are there. Not only cutting, x-axis not cutting. It's not cut x-axis in that. So it is the zeros has. So in that there are the only one place also not cut happen. This is no cutting on the x-axis. It means that is the zeros are there. In that zeros are there. Next we are seeing in that how many zeros are there. Second one draw. It is drawn like this. It is drawn x-axis, y-axis, x dash axis, y dash axis. In that it drawn like this. In book it is given like this. Like this given it is. In that it is only one place cut happen. This is cutting only one place. In that only one place is cut happens. It means it has only 1 0. 1 zeros are there. 1 0 are there. That's all. Next graph it shows that in that in the next graph it is given like this. It is the x-axis, y-axis, x dash axis, y dash axis. In that it is given like this. It is given like this. It is given like this. In that how many places is cut happens? This one. So here one place. It cut one place here.